Alright, so I am gonna leave the caliper on. You just need to knock these two pins out, which I just have a freaking piece of rod. This was actually like an L. This was those things for the canopies to kind of hold them down. I don't have the appropriate tool, but I'll make do with that I got. So just don't chip your paint. Okay, paint's all still there. Now the next one. There you go. So apparently these rotors are on a lot of things like WRXs, Type R, Honda Civic, CTSs, XTSs, Mercedes. I mean, the list goes on. It's your common 4-piston. So here you got two pistons here, and you got another 2 pistons over here. Bleeder screw, and then you got another bleeder screw right here. So more pistons to knock in. But from what I hear or seen, you get a screwdriver, you wedge it between the rotor and the brake pad, and you kind of just pry it back and forth, you know, and it eventually pushes the piston in both sides. Well, you gotta do it both sides. So let me get a screwdriver and we'll do that together. All right, so here I am, screwdriver in one hand, camera in the other. So you put it in there and you twist, you'll start to see it separate. Oh man, that's so nice. Alright, now the same on the other side. Remember, don't worry about just damaging these pads, because remember, you're swapping them out. Alright, now. Oof! These boys were done. Look at that. Back there. This guy. And these are the OEM, because the oh yeah, look at that. Honda used Brembos. Well, you got a Brembo part number, and then you got a yeah, here's all messed up. I was wearing a hat all day. They got a Brembo part number. Alright, let me show you what we're working with. So what I opted for was Duralast Max official brakes of NASCAR, because this is a nice car. Yeah, no. Yeah, when do your pads come with a little sponge? Comes with its own grease. Organic, I guess. See, caution note on the back. Probably got lead in it. Of course, comes with your these guys, whatever these. I mean, this is the first time I'm seeing them ever. Okay, now you got the one with your warning pad, which now we know that one. That one was the warning. They're side specific, I'm guessing. No, they're not. Because we know this one was like this. because we saw that warning indicator deal. So that was like that. I guess now it's gonna be down here. Whatever. I mean, it's the same stuff. Same stuff. So okay, we'll slide this guy in there. Right. Now, you'll probably have to put this one, the old one, back in here and reopen it because now this side's wider. So you'll have to make more room. So let's put up some more. Alright, it feels like it went all the way. Okay, if not, you'll never be able to get that new one in there. That's it. Come on now. That's way too easy. Alright, so now honestly, I don't even know where to put the grease at. I honestly don't even know. I guess I put it on the pin. I guess, yeah. The pin and maybe... Let me go look at the other one. Pretty much it. Put grease on the pin, then you gotta slide this all the way through, which tap it in. Slide it in, tap it in all the way. I'll do it right now. I mean, I got a camera in my hand, so. And that was simple. You just gotta pump the brakes a few times and you're done. Bramble, you're the man. I mean, I don't know who created Brembo. Something, I'm guessing your last name is Brembo, but dude, that is, if you weren't so expensive, I have it on all my cars. But yeah, I'm gonna finish smacking that in all the way in, and then we'll do the other side. So once again, this is all the tools I've used: screwdriver, a blown out pair of diagonal cutters, a punch that's not even a punch, and a 11 mil to put it behind the pin just to smack it so I don't damage my caliper paint. Yeah, insane. So this one's gonna run through because I'm camera. Okay, bye. Yeah, knock out the pin with the punch. And of course, if you see anything, do punch. Woo! How many miles does this car have? Here on its brakes. Right now, those are OEM. These are here. The car has a little over 23,000 miles. So I think those were originals of the car. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the original, as you see. They were done. I don't know what the professionals use, but it's good enough for me. Alright, so look at the edges. I don't know if you're supposed to, but this part right here is rubbing. It rubs on the edges right there, so we get a little bit of organics. A little bit of organic. Good. So organic. Thanks for the hand cleaner. Alright, so going up the wing, give us the back. Put this back in there to compress the rubber. Alright. Put this back in there. Bang bang. It's more of the organic. We keep wondering why I call it organic. On the package it says organic grease. I think it's vegan. Italian, I don't know if it was Italian, but maybe it's stuff. Some of the pins. Insert one on there. Some of the pin. Got one. You just take all the grease off the hands. Now this triangles. Go down on the pad. Oops. Up. Let the top one in. Then you can get the bottom one. That one in. Slide down. Bang bang. Now if I'm like this, I'm putting this guy on the back of the pin. I'm going to tape. Damn it. Flush. Now I do got to do the rears, but that we're not doing today. Honestly, I don't know how to do the rears because they got electronic. They got that electronic rear brakes. But yeah, we are done, boy. Good. Thanks for hanging with me. That's how you do brake job on a Honda Civic. See y'all on the next one.